Good day, sir, and everyone. For this time, I will be reporting Chapter 1, 1.3 entitled Research Questions. So let's start. Common method of focusing on a research project is to phrase a research question. So a research question is a statement that outlines the specific issue or problem that a researcher is trying to address. It is important to phrase the research question in a way that is clear and concise so that it can be easily understood by the research team. The design of a single succinct question is challenge to all researchers, and the research team may consider several iterations before it is accepted. So crafting a research question is not always easy, and it may take several attempts before the researcher's team is satisfied with the phrasing of the question. It is important to ensure that the question is specific enough to provide direction for the research project. The research question will directly lead to one or more methods of investigation, and this can be divided into a number of research aims. So the research question can be phrased using questioning words. These are why, what, how, and when. For the example of research question using why did a wind turbine fail in 100 km/h winds? This question suggests a number of avenues of investigation. The researcher might review the literature of previous failure reports, assess the wind conditions at the time of failure, review the fatigue and possible points of weakness, conduct inspections of other wind turbines located in the area, and undertake numerical modeling experiments. So another example of research question using what? What is the effect of the strength of concrete when recycled concrete is used in the mix? The researchers might review the literature seeking results from previous trials, conduct comprehension and share experiments using different mixtures of concrete, and conduct strength calculations based on aggregate strength. So another example of research question using how. How can the braking system of a railway carriage be self-activating when its velocity exceeds a threshold value? So the researchers might review literature and patents for automatic braking systems, calculate the braking power required, conduct model-based experiments on braking system. For the last example of research question using when will the roof bolts in an underground tunnel fail through environmental? So this also question suggests a number of avenues of investigation. So the researcher might review the literature for previous studies in different rock types and environmental conditions, review the type of roof bolts in common use, conduct a survey of rock bolts and different tunnel environments to assess degradation, and conduct experiments to measure the degradation of the roof bolts under accelerated environmental conditions. So the example might suggest some of the work that has been previously reported. So we must remember, if we had to make a research question, it starts with why, what, when, and how. A review of the literature will mean that the research team does not have to reinvent the wheel and can build their research on the published reports of others. So the reinvent the wheel, it means to avoid wasting time and resources by not repeating the same research that has already been done. Instead, researchers should build on existing knowledge and use it to create something new. The methods to use to solve similar problems might be appropriate to solve the specific problem. A literature review is an important part of the research project as it provides a comprehensive overview of the existing research and methods used in the field. It can help to inform the research team of the best method to use, and it also provide confidence in the reliability of the research. Additionally, it is important to use multiple methods of investigation to ensure the validity of the research results. So, so that's all for the report, and thank you.